speaker enclosure for the C3. This was designed in a 77 Corvette that doesn't have the astral ventilation. And so this is built to sit inside of the car as this. So now you have this whole platform to work with for your speaker enclosure, the bulkhead at the back that you can install your amps, whatever you feel like doing. So we kind of left it where you can design what you want to do in your audio system. Our second design will come out for the ones with the astral ventilation. So we'll come back and make our modifications as being. We'll get more in depth a little bit later on as far as the installation. But we have our composite fastener that is made specifically for using with composites. And so it has this little holes so it'll go up inside of the car, and that your epoxy will ooze out and hold that fastener. So when you put this in, your fastener is going to be held around the perimeter all the way around to make it secured. And you'll still be able to put your T-tops in the car. You'll be able to have a massive speaker collection or whatever you're designing and still be able to put the T-tops in the car. And this is made in carbon fiber. We can do it in standard fiberglass or the carbon fiber, whatever you want to do. You can paint part of the carbon fiber, you can leave it as it is, or you can do whatever you like with it. It's your world to play in. So just another product. And you notice across the front of this, there's a sweep. The sweep to fit the deck lid. So it mirrors the deck lid on the back side, and you'll get to see more of this as we finish it up. Thanks for watching.